Okay, this time I'm going to show you an easy way to attach sound to an image. So over here, I'm just going to come over here. I already have my clipboard open, or I can just type in, let's do apple. Find a picture of an apple. Should be simple enough. Over here it says there are 6 pictures. So bring this picture over. Now I want to add sound. There are 2 ways I can record my own voice, record my own sound, or attach something that I have on my computer. So you click on the triangle, come on down to sound, click on it. You can browse the files that you have. So let's see what I already have. I know I have some music on here. Find some music. Unknown artist, nope. Let's see, desktop. I thought I had some music on here. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. So I want to attach this. Open. I want it to play when my picture is touched. So just attach the sound and they click on it and it should start to play. A bit loud. Okay. Click on it to stop it. Now we can change it. Say I don't want that, and I want to put my own voice or my own recording. You need to keep in mind that it can only be 1 minute. So click on the microphone, start recording. Hello, testing, 1 2 3. Testing, 1 2 3. Stop recording. You can preview it. Hello, testing, 1 2 3. Testing, 1 2 3. Start recording. So now I can either do a corner icon or the object. So this time let's do corner icon. Attach it. So you see this little speaker here, it means that my sound is now attached to this image. So let's go ahead. Start recording. Hello, testing, 1 2 3. Testing, 1 2 3. And that is how you attach sound to an image.